Welcome to our tech channel. Today we are excited to bring you the POCO X6 Pro, a smartphone that's been turning heads since its release. With its powerful features and sleek design, the POCO X6 Pro is a device that promises to elevate your mobile experience. Let's take a closer look at what this phone has to offer. The Xiaomi POCO X6 Pro sports a 667-inch OLED display, ensuring a smooth and vivid visual experience. The display supports 68 billion colors, 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, and Sheer Tone, with a peak brightness of up to 4000 nits, providing sharp and clear imagery for all your media consumption needs. At the heart of the POCO X6 Pro is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chips built on a 4-nm process. These chips, combined with 12GB of RAM, offers robust performance for gaming and multitasking. The phone comes with 256GB, 512GB or unlimited of storage, providing ample space for all your apps, photos and videos. Photography enthusiasts will be pleased with the triple camera setup on the back, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor with voice and 8-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 2 sensor. The 60-megapixel front camera ensures that your selfies are captured with clarity and detail. The POCO X6 Pro also boasts a 5000 mAh battery with 120-watt wide charging, giving you the power to stay connected throughout the day without frequent charging breaks. Available in black, silver, blue, green, and purple, the POCO X6 Pro offers a color option to match every style. So if you are looking for a smartphone that combines performance, style, and cutting-edge technology, the Xiaomi POCO X6 Pro might just be the perfect choice for you. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button for more tech reviews and news. Stay tech savvy, and we will see you in the next video.